Yes, ma'am. Please tell me something about yourself.
Um, Something of myself, I work as a brand manager in Godrej, and my job profile is that I do marketing for the products in Godrej and advertising in print, radio, digital, basically brand positioning for the product. And I love running, I love reading. These are my hobbies. In my free time, I read a lot of books, a lot of fiction novels, and I run near the beach every morning for 1 2 hours. And this is what I love to do. I love traveling as well. So
Okay, where do you prefer your weekend holiday plans?
weekend holiday plans, usually I like at hilly regions like Lonavala or Mahabaleshwar, where there is a lot of peace and quiet. I like such places, so I prefer them.
Okay, do you like technology? What kind of technology do you like the most?
So maps is something, GPS is my favorite technology. It helps me reach wherever I want to. I don't have to be dependent on the people around. So I think I really like the technology.
Okay, what types of features do you like in a smartphone?
In a smartphone, I like which is user friendly and which helps me, has a lot of space in the phone, which helps me record, which saves a lot of videos, photographs, and a lot of data of mine, reports, etc. It saves a lot. It helps me. Such features I like in smartphone.
Okay, which feature would you like to suggest to add in a smartphone?
One thing that I think in a smartphone is um, I
Yes.
don't know. So I think in a smartphone there should be one feature where it could be when I need it should be smaller, and when I need it should be bigger. You know, if I have to watch a movie, the phone should be elongated and it could become big. And if I don't want to watch a movie, it becomes small.
Okay, and what types of cars do you like and what types of features do you like in a car?
I like automated cars, and I like cars which are huge and like a Duster or Jeeps is one of my favorite. I like these big cars which I can which is good in mountain areas and hilly areas, and is very sturdy in rocky mountains and things.
Okay, ma'am. Choose any one picture from this catalog and tell me which is your favorite picture and why.
There is mountain, there is nothing mountain. So like I said, this is my favorite picture because I like mountain areas. I would be imagine myself walking here in peaceful, enjoying the breeze and the sun, and the sun wind is so close to to the human being. So this is what I like.
Okay, thank you.